Alright, so this thing's finally done. Let's see what it looks like. Holy hell. So, I learned my lesson to print this on a support. And, boy, we're really going to have to clean this thing up. So, I showed you the part that I already printed. So, the difference would be, it's got the support stuff in there. Let's see if we can go in here and just click those. Guess not. I tried to put it in between there and get it out of there. This is going to be kind of hard to separate, I think. Amazing how well these attach to here. It's like, wow. Boy, this does not want to come off, man. Good Lord. These things are really hard to get off. But you don't have to worry about it printing. You might break it removing it. Alright, I finally got it. What a pain. I don't know what to do with my tripod. Hold on. Okay. So this is going to be a pulley. Let me put it up on my 30-foot pole, I guess. Let's see. Man. Good Lord. Well, it beats having to print it again, I guess. It always blows me away how the thing like knows where to print all the supports and all that without like you actually having to put it on yourself. I guess that's what this thing's for. The PLA stuff was a lot easier because this stuff it doesn't break out as easy. It's a little bit more flexible than PLA. That's why I'm not buying PLA. I'm buying PETG because it's so much easier to handle without breaking, except for when you want to break it. So let me see here. Let's get the bulk of it off. Jeez. This shit is really in there. See, I wish I could print, selective supports, just where only certain places. Like, I definitely want to print a support inside of here because I don't think it probably needed it, but maybe it did. I don't know. So we finally got that one out of there. And then this bottom is going to be difficult. Okay. That one's not too bad. That one came out pretty good. This one's going to be weird. For sure. As far as that goes. You end up with a big mess. Now, I'd like to be able to recycle this stuff. Try and use it. I guess I think they make a machine where you melt it down and it prints it back out for you. Something like that. I've cut myself really bad doing stupid crap like this before. So I try to be mindful. I'm like, it ain't worth it. Anyway. This is gonna be fun. Try to get all this stuff out of the pulley. Holy hell. So, see, this is like, by doing this, you end up with, oh, that's really nice. Okay, it broke away good there. That's not bad at all. Oh, okay, that's way better than I thought. But you end up with a lot more cleanup time, a lot more of a mess, you know, and looks like I filmed a bunch of stuff that you guys can't see. Anyway, so we got that there. So the idea is that this thing will go right in here. Get it in there. It's going to go right in here. And you'll have a fairly thick pulley. So, if you can print these in less than 5 hours, you know, but I think this will hold up pretty good. So anyway, so that's the old ham radio pulley. You put a pin in it over there. I'm just gonna clean up the rest of it. So maybe I'll print another one of these in a little bit. I really don't want to print it like that. It just looked like 6 hours or something stupid. 5 hours and 19 minutes. It's like, man, some of this stuff. So if you can go to the store and buy it, just go buy it. There's no reason to sit here and babysit this thing 4 times and then have to spend that long. So I printed this thing. This is the 4th time printing it.